Welcome! If you're tired of constant in-app notifications popping up while you're using Discord on your phone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to disable in-app notifications on Discord Mobile, so you can enjoy a quieter, more focused experience. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Discord app. You'll land on your home screen, where all your servers and chats are displayed. Take a look at the bottom right corner. There's your profile icon. Tap on it to open your user settings. Now that you're in your settings, scroll down until you see the section labeled App Settings. Here, you'll find an option called Notifications. Go ahead and tap on Notifications to enter the Notification Settings menu. Inside this menu, you'll see a variety of options for customizing how and when you receive notifications from Discord. What we're looking for is the setting called Get Notifications within Discord. This is the toggle that controls whether Discord sends you in-app notifications while you're actively using the app. To disable these notifications, simply tap the toggle next to Get Notifications within Discord. When the switch turns off, you've successfully silenced those pop-ups and banners that can interrupt your conversations or browsing. That's all there is to it. You've now disabled in-app notifications on Discord Mobile. From now on, you won't be distracted by notification banners while you're using the app, but you'll still receive alerts outside of Discord if you have them enabled in your device's settings. If you ever want to turn in-app notifications back on, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch back to the on position. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might want a more peaceful Discord experience. Enjoy your time on Discord, now with fewer interruptions.